Hello viewers, welcome once again to my YouTube channel, still with the specialist gift at Team Gulu University, taking us through ICT practical aspects, of which recently we are learning information literacy. So today I want us to look at something new called truncation and wildcards. Let's open up our presentation. So we are looking at something called truncation and wildcards. Under truncation and wildcards, we shall see mastering symbols, star, question mark, and hash for effective searching of what we really need to know under information literacy. So here we shall be learning on the symbols to use and how they are used in different aspects. Truncation using a symbol, usually to replace any number of characters at the end of a word. So truncation is to cut a number, like when you are searching for maybe something under education, or you are searching for educational thing or educator, you will need to type educate like this, and it will bring for you the words. We shall also see the effect of elongating words. We have wildcards, symbols that replace one character, often question mark or hash, e.g. whom, question mark, and finds woman or women. So here we are looking at things that will help us in our search, quick search in whatever we shall need. Purpose, we have broad and search results captures variations of items. So it brings for you items with almost similar whatever, with similar spellings. At the same time, it will bring for you it is an distraction from an insect. Asterisk, we have asterisk like that one, unlimited characters at the end, or truncation. So asterisk, you use this symbol and then start outside. We have a question mark symbol, single character replacement. Maybe if we want to replace a single character, you will have to use a question mark. We have dollar sign, sometimes used in specific databases for truncation or wildcard. So there is something that I've obstructed. So how to use them effectively? We have identify core keyword you want to expand. Maybe you want to look for the word educational. Yeah, you can identify the keyword that is educate. Apply truncation for multiple endings. For example, compute for computer or computing, and then a star at the end. So it will bring for you those words. Insert wildcard for spelling variations. For example, color. Question mark R for color or color. So at the same time, you will be getting many words at the same time if you insert a wildcard. Combine with Boolean operators and or to refine results. Yesterday I remember telling you and teaching you how to use the Boolean operators and or and not. So testing the databases and adjust symbol if results are too broad or narrow. So if you want a broad or narrow result, still you can adjust the symbols that you need to use. This takes us to the next slide. We have practical examples and tips. We have database search, like you're searching for NUS nurse star and pediatric. So this one will give you or retrieves all nursing plus pediatric terms. So you find that it will simplify things. So here we are using wildcard, or we are using truncation plus what? Plus the Boolean operator. So in our next, we are seeing avoid truncation, avoid over truncation. This one is like manage. This is like you're giving the whole aspect of things. So if you were to look for something on manage, then you on management, then you should do N at G to be manage. So may pull the unrelated like managerial use of specific endings that will not even give you the what exactly you need. So we have best practice, review database else pages for supported symbols, Then outcome, we have faster, more comprehensive literature retrieval with fewer missed sources. So here, when we talk of something being comprehensive, I remember telling you yesterday that comprehensiveness of something means something to be broad, with several meanings or applications. So that brings us to the end of the use of the wildcards. So that is the practical examples and tips. We have how to use them effectively, identify keyword. You will just need to follow this presentation of mine in order for you to catch up with everything at the same time. So we have common symbols and their uses. I've already told you about that. And we have what are the truncation and wildcards, or of which we have seen that truncation is something usually to replace any of characters at the end of the word. For example, educate. So when we talk about truncation and wildcards, here we are always mastering symbols for effective searching. So we need to know most of these symbols, especially when we are searching for things under information literacy, especially those ones doing research. It will help you so much. Please like, follow, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.